VMware made a promise to its customers. We are going to help you run any application on any cloud. But keeping that promise is getting more complicated. Enterprises are dealing with a greater diversity of apps. Existing apps, off-the-shelf apps, and new cloud-native apps. And they're running them across more clouds, private and public. Our customers have asked us to help them contain this complexity, and we have an answer. VMware Tanzu. Tanzu brings together VMware technology and expertise to help customers build modern applications, run a common Kubernetes framework across clouds, and manage their entire footprint from one point of control. Ready to build? So are we. VMware has the ecosystem and expertise to help you maintain and modernize existing apps and create cloud-native apps side by side. For information, please visit cloud.vmware.com/Tanzu.